up, y'all? It's your boy Royal King Brian, and I don't want to yell because right now I am in one of the most haunted places in New York. I am in one of the woods in Westchester. From what I've Googled so far, this is one of the most haunted places in all of New York. So I came up here, I drove up here in my car Royal, as you can see. I'm supposed to be waiting for some of my friends to come up here as well. They're supposed to be coming up here tonight. And tomorrow we're gonna go exploring the woods. But yeah, I'm about to go to my cabin right now, wait for my friends, and then we're gonna be lit. If you like this video, subscribe, give it a big thumbs up. It helps. It's your boy Royal King Brian, and we're here exploring the haunted woods. Alright, y'all, so as y'all can see, it's super dark here. Super dark. So we about to just leave the car here, and we are about to go to our cabin. Oh man, I'm getting creeped out just by looking at this place, man. There's so many cabins and so little light. Can't even see my car. So this is the cabin me and my friends are assigned to. Let's go check this out. And you can't see nothing in here. I wish I could really see it. Where the light switch? Where's the light? Where's the light? Where's the light? Oh, here we go. Alright guys, we found the light switch. This cabin is weird. I guess this is the beds for me and my friends. What the heck? They got a poster of Martin Luther King here. And they have a clock that doesn't even tell the right time, because it's definitely not 7 o'clock. So yeah, like I said, I'm about to go take a shower and wait for some of my homies to show up. I will see y'all in the next clip. Alright, y'all. So it's 3:30 in the morning right now. I had just fell asleep. I was waiting for my friends, but I keep calling them and they're not picking up. They were supposed to be here by now. So while I was waiting for them, I just decided to go to sleep. But it's weird because I just woke up and I just see like everything is like all messed up. Like I was sleeping in the room and I came here and it just looks like a mess. It just looks like a mess. Like I don't know if somebody was here. That's my bag right there. It looks like somebody was here while I was sleeping. And it just messed up everything. Like they came in here and trashed it. That's weird. And it's still dark outside. I can't even see nothing. Like my friends were supposed to be here at 12 o'clock. It's 3:30 in the morning. What was that? What was that? Did you guys hear that? It sounded like a car. It sounded like a car was outside. Let me see. I'm trying to open the window. It don't even open. Let me see if I can open this window. I guess the windows are locked. That is so creepy because there's nobody here. And it sounded like... You see? I heard something again. Did you hear that? This place is so creepy, man. Where is everybody? Why is the mattresses on the floor? Where is everybody, man? This place is so creepy, man. I just want to go. Alright, y'all. So it's the next morning. The people that were supposed to show up never showed up. There's definitely something wrong with this like wood. So I'm leaving. Hopefully my friends can catch up, but I'm going. As you can see, I'm taking all my stuff. And things didn't go as planned because this woods has to be haunted with something. There has to be something here. Alright, y'all. So, like I said before, I'm leaving. I've called my friends. I've texted my friends. They're not answering. I swear last night I heard a whole bunch of weird noises. I even heard like cars coming from inside of the wooden cabin. And the only car in this area is my car. So I'm leaving. This place is creepy. It's creeping me out. So I'm out. Alright, y'all, so we gonna get real. That was like a little skit I was working on. It's not a real thing. I wasn't really like at a haunted woods. I was in the woods though, and I did spend the night in a cabin, but I wasn't supposed to meet up with like people and go ghost hunting or whatever. So that's not a really haunted place. But it was weird though. It was weird spending the night because I did break night. I didn't go to sleep the whole night, so I was actually up the whole night. And it was weird because you actually do hear like weird sounds in the woods and like I don't know. It was just weird. You start thinking about what like when I was making the video, I was actually scaring myself. It's weird. I knew it was like I knew I was making a joke as a video, but for some reason I guess your mind just starts really thinking about um your mind starts thinking about like what if. So I really did get kind of creeped out, and my camera was like not working on and off for some strange reason. So you could say that was a haunting, but the only reason I wanted to make this video is because I love scary movies. My favorite type of movies are scary movies, horror films, creepy stuff. And I want to make like a little short film, like a 15-minute movie, eventually somewhere down the line. So I'm using this video as like my first tryout. You could say my first tryout to my first like film or whatever. I've never done it before, so I want you guys to just leave in the comment section what do you like about it, what can I do to make it better, make it scarier, what themes I could use, anything. So this is probably the first one. You're gonna see a lot more like haunting stuff, and each one is probably gonna get better and better and better as I keep going along. But yeah, that was just basically like a skit. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If I did get you, please drop a big huge like if I did get you, and tell me I got you in the comment section. If you really did think that was like a haunted place, I would definitely appreciate you letting me know, because that means I'm doing a good job on my editing skills. I do need to work a little bit on the acting skills, but yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. It's your boy Royal King Brian, aka Brian, and press like, get this video subscribed if you want to see more of my videos. And we are still on the road to 500 subscribers. We are almost at 300 subscribers, and let's get this popping. Ha! Yo, Steph, go take a shower. Why are you so lit? It's 12 o'clock, bro. What are you doing?
Yo, where's the music?
There's no music, bro.
Dance with no music?
You're in the freaking shower, bro. Like,
I'm in the shower?
Alright, you're in the bathroom, bro.
I'm about to shower.
Wanna say something funny?
Nah,